I'm here in a townhouse in Central Florida in Davenport, and as you can see, the carpet has all been taken back, taken up. You can see out in the garage, I had some air movers in here. I extracted the water. In the process of now disinfecting and then cleaning the carpet and then disinfecting the carpet again. And then we will have this back in shape. You may be wondering, what happened? Well, let me show you. Without getting too graphic, I think you can see what happened here. Toilet paper all over the floor, and there's other things that I won't show. I don't want to get banned here on social media. But behind that door was the bathroom. Something happened with the sewage. The toilet overflowed and flooded this entire living room area. Now, if this happens to you, don't automatically freak out. There are different stages, different levels of flooding that can be classified real easy if you know what it is that flooded your house. The best way to remember them is to remember the categories of a hurricane. Category 1 is the least harmful, and that's like if your toilet overflows or the water supply line breaks and floods your home. That's category 1, and it's the least dangerous to you and to your family, but it obviously can possibly get the house just as wet as the other categories. Category 2, or gray water. I should have mentioned category 1 is clean water. Category 2 is gray water. That's like if your dishwasher overflows, if a toilet overflows but does not include any brown matter. If you know, the last category is black water, or category 3. That's the most harmful. That's the ones you really want to take care of. You want to take care to get everybody out of the house and then call a professional immediately to assess the damage and come clean it up. And you may have to stay in a hotel for quite some time till it's rectified. Category 3 is the most dangerous, and that's when sewage, anything beyond the house, gets into the carpet or into the floors or the walls of your home. That's the one you really need to be careful with. All of them you need to be careful, but this is really the one that can be deadly or dangerous. So if you have a flood, don't freak out. Assess the situation. First thing you want to do is get the flooding stopped. If it's a water leak, get a plumber to get that taken care of so that it doesn't keep bringing water into the home. Then you need to call a professional water damage restoration company. Many carpet cleaners like myself can take care of smaller level jobs and get them in the home to get the water out and start the drying process. If it's a category 2 or 3, you need to take precautions. You may need to get out of the home while the cleanup is done. I make this video not to scare you, but to prepare you so that the next time you come home, or when you come home and there's water all in your home, you can assess the situation. I'm going to include in the notes of this video the different categories and more specific information that I didn't cover in this video. So take a look at that. Thanks, take care.